Hi, it's me, K10, and guess where I am today? We're at the beach. Yeah, the beach is so much fun. You can do so many fun things here. You can have a picnic, you can swim, you can surf, and you can play in the sand. But the thing I'm here to do today is watch for dolphins. Dolphins are my favorite ocean creature. They're mammals and they swim in pods and then they jump up out of the ocean. It's so cute. So I am gonna start looking for dolphins. Come on! Dolphins, where are you? Where could they be? At least I have a snack to pass the time. Well, if I can't see a dolphin, what can I do? I know, I can make a dolphin. This gives me a clever idea for a crafternoon. And we can use this plate to help us make a dolphin. Come on! Wow, okay, so we have this plate, and this is how I think we're gonna make a dolphin. Okay, so take a plate, and what you're gonna do is, I'm thinking we could use half of this plate as the dolphin shape, and then we'll add a fin and a snout, and we'll also add that that top fin on the dolphin too.
Hi, K10. You know, the fin on my back is called a dorsal fin. Cool, huh?
First things first, take some scissors and cut this paper plate in half. Just like so. Boom. So let's take this portion, and now to get the dimensions of what you want for the dolphin's nose and the dolphin's fins, we're gonna take, I like blue, I think blue is a really pretty color for this. We're gonna put this on top of a piece of paper, and then we're gonna take a marker and we're gonna trace the dolphin's nose, we're gonna trace a top fin, and we're gonna trace the bottom fin too. I'm gonna use blue for tracing just because then it's a little easier to disguise later on. Okay, so let me think about that dolphin I wanted to see. So maybe I'll have its fin kind of come out of its tail like this, and it's gonna go down, and dolphin tails kind of go like that, and then we'll go back up. That looks cute. And we're gonna need a top fin. It's kind of like that. Let's not make it look too much like a shark. And then we're gonna need the nose. Dolphins kind of have a nose like that. So this is our dolphin, but we're gonna make this look even better because we're gonna cut this out. And we're actually also, I think what we should do is put a little bit in because we're gonna tape this to the back of the plate. So just make sure that we can cut out something that gives us a little bit more so we have room to tape it. Okay. Okay, so now, time to cut. And what you wanna do is not cut on the outside so we see the line. We're gonna wanna cut on the inside of that line to get the shapes that we need. First things first, we need to tape our fin to the back. So kind of want the dolphin's tail to kind of go like that. All right, so we'll tape that on. Do, 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 do. Easy peasy, just your basic old tape. And here's our fin. So we're gonna put this up top, just like so. Oop, like so, like that. And we'll tape that on. Do, 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 do. There we we go. And then we need the dolphin's nose. So we'll just put that on right here. I know that there's a type of dolphin called a blue nose, and this is definitely gonna be a blue nosed dolphin because it's got a blue nose. Okay, tape that, and it doesn't hurt to give this a little bit of extra tape, especially if you're gonna be playing with it later on or giving it to somebody else as a gift. So just tape, 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 maybe a little bit over here. Get it all nice and stuck on. And now to make our dolphin jump through the air, I think we should attach one of these craft sticks to it. So then that way we can even like pretend it's jumping along. And so all we do is we just tape this on our little stick. And like so. You can also use, if you don't have a craft stick, maybe you could use a twig or you know, even sometimes 2 straws, if you tape those together, that's a nice strong stick to hold things with. That is looking great. Okay, so we need to draw the mouth on the dolphin. So I'm gonna use my marker to just draw like a little line. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Now we know that the dolphin can open its mouth and it can say, and now I think what we should do is we should paint our plate blue. So I want to make a blue that matches this kind of color blue. I'm not maybe going to do it exactly, but let's give it a shot with our color mixing. So I'm going to take some of this blue. It's like a dark blue, so I don't want to use too much. Put a little dab there. And then I'm going to use, to make it lighter, I'm going to use white. The white is right here. Oh no, that's a lighter blue. We could put some of that in there too. Here's the white. Okay, let's put some white in there. Boop, 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 boop. And there's a little bit of pink on there. That was from another craft I was doing. And let's put some of this light blue in there. Ooh, that is gonna look actually really cool. So I wonder, I hope we get a little bit close to this color. So let's mix it up. Here we go. Ooh, this is looking great. Look at that. It's getting close to that color. And actually, I think we might even need a little bit more dark blue to match that, because look, this is a little bit lighter than that. So let me put some dark blue in here. Boop. Give that a mix. And mix, 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 mix. Okay, this is looking pretty good. That's like a darker blue now. Okay, it's still a little light. Maybe a little bit more of this. I actually have another fun idea that we could do. Okay, let's do that. Mix that in. Okay, so this other fun idea I have is really kind of cool. So I'm thinking, what if we mix some blue glitter glue in with this so it'll look like the dolphin is shiny.
Glitter glue!
Just give it that extra little specialness. And if you don't want to put glitter glue in or you don't have glitter glue, don't even worry about it. Okay. All right, I think we're ready to paint. And even though it's not an exact match, that's fine too, because people will get that you're trying to make a dolphin. So let's just paint, 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 paint. Well, you know what we could do, because we didn't have an exact color match, and we have some more paint left over, we can paint our construction paper to match. Okay, and now now I'm gonna get some black paint. Perfect. All right, pop this on our little palette. It's probably too much paint. Oh well. And I'm gonna take a little tiny fine brush like this, because that's good for like doing fine details, like a little line. We're gonna go along this line like so, and give us that dolphin mouth again. How cute is that? That is so cute. All right, so now what I wanna do is, this dolphin has got everything except what? An eye. So let's put an eye on our dolphin. Do we like this? Actually, yeah, that looks like a dolphin. All right, so let me grab some glue.
Glue!
Plop that eye right on there. Wow! Check it out. It's another Crafternoon creation. We made a dolphin that we can see anytime we want. And thanks for having another Crafternoon with me, K10. Dolphin, say bye. Thanks for watching K10's Crafternoon. If you love this and if you love crafts, make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube at K10 Crafternoon.